here. I wanted to say hi, and I have an animal friend with me. Just wanted to show you. This is Friday. Say hi. Say hi. Friday is a guinea pig. You might hear she's making little squeak noises. Want to say hi? Want to say hi? You might hear her squeaking. Yeah. Yeah. So exciting. So Friday here is a guinea pig. She is originally from one place and one place only, and that's the Andes Mountains in South America. That's where they used to be, but now they are only found as pets. They're no longer found in the wild. But when they were in the wild, they herd. So there was a big group of them. And way back in the day, England would take these guys and domesticate them, which means they would have them as pets. And they would cost 1 guinea, which is how much money it was back then. So we use dollars. And back then in England, they used something called guinea. So that's how she got the name Guinea. And you heard her squeaking before. She kind of sounded like a little pig, like and that's where they get the word pig. So that's how they get the name guinea pig. Yeah. She's super friendly, a little shy. She loves to eat though. She loves hay, and she loves squash and zucchini, right? And you like some fruit as well. You could be munching on an apple. Yeah, you like apples. You love lettuce so much. So my friends, I just wanted to show you my guinea pig friends. Just want to say hi. All right. Should we say goodbye? Goodbye. So my friends, I have some lettuce here. Let's see. See if Friday likes them. Oh my goodness. Look at her go. Look at her go. Ooh, munch, 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 munch. Munch, 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 munch. She's come back for more. Look at her go. Crunch, 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 crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. What a happy little guinea pig.